Hey guys, it's Chris with Paragon Inspection. Today I'm inspecting a pretty big house, about 5,500 square foot. It's about 9 years old, and found something pretty cool with a thermal camera. What it appears is it could be a leaking duct, but more than likely 9 years ago when the house was constructed, they've got a supply register here that when the guys came in and put up the sheetrock, they simply covered it over and forgot to cut access to it. So for the last 9 years, it's been blowing conditioned air right into the sheetrock and back into the attic. So it'd be something fairly easy to correct, but something that you wouldn't see with the naked eye, and that's where this thermal imaging technology really comes in handy. So let me show you what I'm talking about here. You kind of look at the ceiling, you don't see any moisture, you don't see anything abnormal. However, when you put the thermal camera up to it, you see the bright blue spot. And so that's where that sheetrock is considerably cooler than the sheetrock around it, and that indicates our finding today. So at any rate, just one of the many interesting things and really cool tools that we get to use every day, and we're ready to put them to work for you during your inspection. Give us a shout. Bye.